is the Barathula Pass. Srita, ഇതെന്താണ് ഈ കല്ല് കെട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? നീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യ്. ഇവിടെ കല്ല് കെട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്തിനാണ്? That is Srijit, Chief Air Marshal, Indian Air Force. There's the King from Trivandrum. That has taken us so far to around 16,000 feet above the sea level, where breathing itself is very difficult. Those are the glaciers that you can see there, and it was a melting of that ice that caused the water to flow across the road that you saw a little time before. What a beautiful. Okay, I'm going to shut down for posing a photo.